Has there been any new advances coming for TRT that we may see in the near future?
Yes, what we're putting out there, this is new. This is new stuff. This, you'd be amazed how wrong this is being done around the world, and especially in the United States. It blows my mind. No matter how much information we're putting out there, instead of taking this information, which is backed by research, and actually looking at it, it's being shunned, it's being buried, it's being covered up. This here is new stuff. This is stuff we've been talking about for 5 or 6 years on a daily basis. And for some odd reason, it is not mainstream yet. So if you guys go out there and actually help spread the word, this will become more mainstream. The way to do this correctly, the way to educate other providers on how to get this done correctly. Because men are being done a tremendous disservice in this country every single day. And we see this from transfer patients where we have to spend 3 to 6 months just undoing damage that has been done elsewhere. And it's a shame when you go out, forget spending the money, but when you go out and you actually trust your health to someone who's supposed to be an expert in the field, and they actually leave you off worse than when you started, I have a problem with that.
Consider becoming a channel member for exclusive features, like loyalty badges, early access to new videos, funny stuff like rough cuts and bloopers, members-only photos and status updates on the community tab, and members-only livestream chat. On desktop, use the join button next to the subscribe. On mobile, use the join link in the description.